Hello, I'm Francis Bray, support consultant. After many years working as company accountant for various manufacturing and distribution companies, I moved to support consultancy following redundancy. With experience of many versions of Navision and Business Central, I naturally have an interest in the application of BC to finance, manufacturing and distribution and the problems users experience. Out of the office, I'm keen on tire bell ringing and Tai Chi, which both are unusual and provide physical and mental exercise. I look forward to helping you as part of our support function.